Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. This is Shankar. In this video, I will explain about how to install Node.js using the NVM tool. NVM stands for Node Version Manager on Windows 10 or 11. Please watch the complete video, then you will understand the which Node.js problem is resolved by NVM Node Version Manager. So it is not a sketch video; it is continuation video of Typescript course. So this playlist link I will provide in description of this video. So let's get started. So I will complete this video by using some bullet points. So I will start explanation of this video through points wise. So first we need to understand the abbreviation of NVM. What is the NVM? Node Version Manager. So what we are discussing in this video, how to install Node.js Node.js using the NVM tool on where we are installing on Windows 10 or 11 operating systems. When making this video 2026, so April I am making this video. So first point we need to understand, most developers most developers make the mistake of going directly to the node.js download page download page to download and install Node.js. So most developers make the mistake of going directly to the Node.js download page to download and install Node.js. So I will show everyone how downloading and installing Node.js. They are typing Node.js download. So they are clicking here download option. They are choosing the LTS. So long term support. So they are downloading. So what happen if download like this? Problem occur problem occur when upgrading or downgrading downgrading the node.js version. When problem occur when upgrading or downgrading the node.js version. So I will explain up to. So you are installed node.js, download and install node.js. So if you want to switch another version, like upgrade latest version or downgrade another version, it will not possible. You need to uninstall the already installed node.js, then you need to install the some another node.js version. So and by using node.js you cannot maintain, there is no possibility to maintain multiple versions of node.js. So by using NVM node version manager, it will be possible. We can able to manage multiple versions. We can able to set default Node.js version. Each Node.js version we can install different types of, like suppose I am installed Node.js versions like 15, 16, 17. By using NVM, I am installed Node.js version 15, 16, 17. In 15, I can able to install the TypeScript. In 17, I can able to install the Angular. Like eh, Angular, like one Node.js version for that version specific libraries and packages I can able to install. Another version I can able to install. So by using NVM, I can able to switch the Node.js versions, and I can able to maintain the different types of Node.js Node, Node.js versions, and each Node.js Node.js version, I can able to install different types of libraries and the packages. For example, so I am installed Node.js Sub 23 I am installed. Here I am installed Typescript Sub 3 I installed and Angular Angular 21 I installed. Sub these not exactly version names I am taken as examples. Suppose I can also install Sub 22. I can also different types of libraries and packages like this. This we can achieve by NVM Node version manager. For this Node.js version, I am maintaining different types of libraries and packages. For this Node.js version, I am maintaining the different types of libraries and packages. Right? Understand right? What problem is resolved by NVM Node version manager. So let's third point. First, we need to check whether check whether any Node.js Node.js version is already installed on your computer. So on your computer. First check whether any Node.js version is already installed on your computer. So we need to check if it is installed, we need to uninstall. So if it is already one Node.js version is installed in your computer, you need to uninstall. So I have created one video. I have made one video already. So to uninstall, see how to uninstall Node.js on Windows 10 or 11. So this playlist link I will provide in description of this video, so you can able to go through these videos in this playlist and you can uninstall. So I will check now in my system. Node.js is already there or not. CMD command prompt to check Node.js is already available or not. Command is node-v. See, Node is not recognized as internal or external command. That means Node.js is not installed in my system. So first check whether any Node.js version is already installed on your computer. So and if installed, uninstall it. You need to uninstall it if it is already installed. So uninstall it. Fourth point, download NVM. NVM Node version manager. So download NVM for Windows from the following link. So let's search for the link. So now close this NVM Windows NVM. You can type NVM Windows. Click this link. So core y butler. Something is there. This is the link. So this is the link. I will provide this link in description of this video. So NVM Windows, right? Here we need to scroll down and download NVM hyphen setup.exe. So then complete the installation. Then complete scroll down and download NVM setup.exe file. Scroll down and download NVM setup.exe file. So scroll down, scroll down. See it is this that NVM Windows. Scroll down. Download now is there, right? Scroll down, click on download now. Scroll down, click on download, download now. Click on download now. We need to click on download now. See, it is moving to some page. See here, assets. After that, you need to scroll down. See, scroll down, click on download now, and click on and scroll down. Click on download now, and then again we need to scroll down, scroll down, and click on. We need to click on, click on NVM setup. See, these are the 2 points. Scroll down, click on download now. It is done. Then scroll down and click on NVM setup.exe file. Then complete the installation. So yeah, scroll down. This is the page we are now. So don't confuse. Some of the files look like. Ignore this antivirus report. These are. Scroll down. Here see here contributors. Assets are there, right? In assets, NVM setup. NVM setup. Click this. So it is downloading the exe file. Zip also there. So zip also there. But I am installing the setup file, not the zip, not the zip. So wait some time. Once successfully installed in environmental variables, this NVM location also added. When we are installed Node.js, Node.js version also is added in environmental variable. That's why anywhere in system we can access Node.js commands like node hyphen where we like that. So this is also added in environmental variables. Once installation is done, I will show where this location is added. NVM location is added. So go to downloads. This is the NVM setup. Control X. So go to D drive, softwares, make a folder. So NVM, NVM, Control V. So right click, run as administrator. So I am the administrator of in my system. It is Node.js version manager for Windows. Say yes. Some pop-up is open. I said yes. See, I accept the agreement. Next, this location I will change to D. Next, this location also I will change to D. Next, so see, select the events you wish to be notified of. Your choice can be modified at any time. The future Node.js, LTS releases, Node.js current releases, other update releases upcoming for okay. Next, it is asking mail ID, but it is optional. But still, I will add. But still, I will add. See, destination location, install, open with PowerShell. NVM hyphen V. Let's check. Okay. So in PowerShell may not work. So let's close. Let's we will try using the CMD command front. Let's check the version, NVM version. So NVM hyphen V, see 1.2.2. So let's add a 1 point here, 50 point to check NVM version. So which commands NVM hyphen V, right? 6 point, right? So let's check in PowerShell. After installation, may we need to the reopen PowerShell as well. Let's check NVM hyphen V. See now it is working. That means after installation we need to close this PowerShell and we need to restart, reopen. So right. So we can able to check the version both PowerShell and CMD. So now fifth point, let's assume the useful commands. Useful, useful, useful NVM commands. Assume this is like a fifth point. So in that A. So second point, to check all available Node.js versions. To check all available to check all available Node.js versions 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 NVM list available. This is the command NVM list available. Let's check how many NVM to check all available Node.js version. So command is to check all available Node.js version. Command is NVM list available. For that command is available. See NVM list available. Current versions, long term support versions, old stable, old unstable. This is the list of the Node.js versions, right? So next command, third one. So we need to install, right? See, let's check. Currently we have the NVM installed. We need to install Node.js. Node hyphen V. See, not recognized. That means Node.js not installed. We need to install the Node, right? So for that command, to install to install the to install the latest LTS version to install Node.js to install the Node.js latest version. Install the Node.js latest version. For this command, nvm install latest. nvm install latest. So nvm install latest. Latest. That means I think latest means maybe current version. So nvm install latest. So let's enter. Let's check after that. See, it is installing the current version 25.90. NVM install latest. That means it is installing the current version. Right? So it is extracting node and NVM. So it is installing the node as well as NVM. So it is installing the node and NVM. Right? Yeah, done. So what we have done? So to check all available Node.js versions, it is done. It is done, right? After that, install the latest Node.js version. So to to install the to to install the to install the Node.js, install the latest Node.js to install the latest Node.js version. This is command for the to install the latest Node.js version. This is the one. NVM install latest port point. So port point install the latest LTS version. Install latest LTS version. So to install about to install the latest LTS version. So NVM install LTS. So if you want to install latest version, this 24 LTS, you need to type NVM install LTS long term support. See 24, it is installing the 24. So up to what we done to check NVM version, we know the command. To check all available Node.js versions, we know the command. To install the latest Node.js version, we know the command. To install the latest LTS version, we know the command. After that, how many Node.js versions we are installed. Once it is done, then I will show how to check how many Node.js versions are installed. So see, see what is saying. This is the latest version, right? Downloading, extracting, completed. Extracting Node and NVM. It will be installed Node and NVM. Installation completed. If you want to use this version, type. So like we have multiple Node.js versions are installed by using the NVM, but we need to use at a time only one, right? So if you want to use some whatever installed, suppose you are installed 5 Node.js versions by using NVM. You want to use single one at a time only. You need to use single one. For that, you need to use the command like NVM use. Like it will making a one Node.js version as a default, right? So now next command. Suppose we need to check, right? Otherwise, see NVM list available, right? These are the available version. So I want to install specific version. Install to install a specific to install to install to install the to install a specific Node.js version. For this command to install a specific Node.js version. For this command nvm install, we need to mention the version. Here we need to mention the version. For example, nvm install, I want to install second LTS. Suppose I want to install 22, this one 22, 22 2, like this. So now NVM install 22, control V 22, 22 2, this version. See, downloading Node.js version 22, 22 2. Once this is completed, I will so go to list out how many Node.js versions we are installed. After that, I will set one Node.js version as a default, right? So wait some time. So it is extracting the node and NVM. So once we are installed Node.js, it will installing the node and NVM as well. So it is done, right? So now next one F. So list installed Node.js to list installed Node.js to list installed Node.js versions. For that command nvm list. See, as of now installed two. These are the LTS to installed, current one installed, like three. So nvm list three Node.js I have installed three, right? So if I will check, let's check what will happen. Node hyphen v we are installed, but we are not set any Node.js version as a default. Let's check what will happen in this case. See, node is not recognized as internal or external command. It is saying node is not available. So next, let's set a one Node.js version as a default. So to select to select the to select the default to select the default Node.js version or use a specific version. As of now, we are installed Node.js, right? Versions, but we are not set as any default Node.js version or so we are not set any Node.js version as a specific. So there is no, we are not say like use this as a default version. So if we are installed multiple Node.js version, but we are not using any of the Node.js version. Now I am saying use this version. So nvm use version version nvm use version. For example, I will use so long term support. Let's check nvm list available. So let this is the long term support, right? LTSC NVM list. These are the we are installed in that. This is the latest long term support. So NVM NVM use version. So this one pop up is appear. So I said yes. So now using node version. So now we are using the Node.js version 24.14.1. So let's check node -v. Let's check node -v. See, it is pointing to 24.14.1. Let's check when we are install Node.js, it will be install node and nvm, like npm node package manager -v. Node package manager also installed, right? Package manager. So it is done. Now next point. This is the sixth point. So selected node.js version is used globally across your system and IDE. So we are like NVM use some version, right? We set default version, right? So it's saying selected Node.js version is globally used across your system and IDE. That means entire your system is pointing to we set, right? 14 version, like NVM use some version name, right? This version is, it will be like a global version. It will be pointing to entire your system. Anywhere in our system, we can able to access because of environmental variables added that path. Let's check environmental variables. Really that path is added or not. So environmental variables, let's check both system and user variables and system variables. See any NVM related here not there. User variables are not there. Let's check system variables. See NVM home. NVM. There is some NVM here also. NVM home. Added, right? Both user and system. These are auto added. I'm not added. So these are the entire system visible. System variables, user variables, entire system I can able to access. Right? So selected Node.js version is used globally across your system and IDE. So 7.7 once you switch once you switch from one one Node.js version to another all global dependencies are also switched to those specific to the selected selected Node.js version if they are already installed. So what does mean? See, once once you switch from once you switch from one Node.js version to another, our global dependencies are also switched to these specific to the selected Node.js version. If they are already installed, that means so I'm currently using the Node.js version 24. In that I have installed a TypeScript, Angular, React, multiple libraries or packages or some dependencies were installed. So if you switch related to that version, if any libraries or dependencies installed, those also will be switched. Right? 8 point, like each Node.js version, we can able to maintain the different types of dependencies. So each Node.js, each Node.js version installed using NVM maintains maintains its own independent independent set of independent set of libraries and libraries and packages packages, right? Libraries and each Node.js version installed using NVM maintains its own independent set of libraries and packages, right? Understand, right? Like Suppose I will give some examples. Suppose I install the Node.js version 14. In that I have installed Angular. So again I have installed the Node.js 10 version. So in this version I have installed TypeScript. This means each Node.js version installed using NVM maintain its own independent set of libraries and packages. These are the 8 very important points about NVM, and it will solve the Node.js problem. We are understand, right, how this will be solved and how NVM will be solved Node.js problem, right? Which problem? Version management, switching versions, maintaining multiple versions, these problems. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are successfully understand very well about NVM tool.